Hey, I'm Will with Lakelifter, and this is how you pair a key fob, set limits, use autorun mode, and desync a key fob for our direct drive motor. If you'd like written instructions for anything in this video and more, you can find that all in the owner's manual that was sent with the motor.
Don't worry, your box is not broken. If you are hearing a loud beep when trying to raise or lower your lift, it just needs limits to be set so that the motor doesn't damage your lift. To pair your key fob, hold the light and stop buttons down for 6 seconds after turning on the motor. If successful, you'll hear a
Key fob pairing successful
sound. Make sure to pair both key fobs included. The next thing is to set both lower and upper limits for your lift. But before setting limits, make sure your boat doesn't have a tower or canopy up, anything that would interfere with the top of the lift. Turn on the box and hold down the stop button for 10 seconds to enter programming mode. The box will audibly tell you that it's in programming mode after enough time.
Programming mode active. Previous limits have been erased. Move to first location, press stop, then move to second location and press stop again.
You may count to 10 faster in your head, so give it more time than you would think. Either the upper or lower limit can be set first, but I will do the lower one. When setting the lower limit, do not set it based on the water level, as it often changes throughout a lake season. Instead, set the limit as low as possible, but not so low that the cord goes slack.
I'm gonna hit stop.
First limit is set. Proceed to the next limit.
When setting the upper limit, make sure to not top off the actual lift to avoid damage to your boat or the lift.
Both limits set successfully. Enjoy!
Watch out for the top of your boat hitting anything. To turn on autorun mode, make sure the box is off. Put the key in and turn it to the up position, which is to the right. While it's in that position, turn the box on and let go of the key. Once in autorun mode, you will only have to click up or down once on the remote fully to move the lift. Autorun will not work without the set limits. To set the limits, see the timestamp earlier in the video.
Autorun engaged. Operate with caution.
To turn autorun off, put the key in the unpowered box and turn the key to the down position or just to the left. While it is in that position, hit the power button and release the key. To desync a key fob, first turn the box on and hold the light button down for 20 seconds. The box will tell you when the key fobs are desynced.
All key fobs have been erased.
Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website, which is the top link in the description, or if you have a question, leave a comment.